This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Sublime Text. So Sublime Text, I'm on the main downloads page. You can find it at sublimetext.com/download. I'll put that URL in the video description, so you can just click on that and you'll wind up on this main downloads page. So the latest version is in fact Sublime Text 4. We can get it on Mac OS, on Windows. There's a portable version as well for Windows, and there's some Linux versions here. And you can see the change log if you're interested in seeing the different version history. You can of course download different older versions of Sublime Text depending on any kind of compatibility issues that you might have, but you will pick your poison here. If you're on Windows, obviously you click there. Mac OS, which is what I'm on, I'm going to click here, and we're redirected, and just like that you see in the top right corner the icon went flying up, which is the universal symbol on Mac that something has been downloaded. Depending on your browser, you will find the installer for Sublime Text will be in your downloads location as indicated by your browser. For example, I'm on Google Chrome, so on this Mac my files and folders are downloaded directly to the downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different, but the easy bit is just opening that installer, just following the instructions. That's the easy, straightforward bit. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Sublime Text useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.